Happy New Year to every single one of you. I am starting a mini playlist, you can call it, in which I'll be telling you exactly how to network with people and how to use LinkedIn to your own advantage. This is the social media platform that I have used in 2020 to get all of my freelance clients, to get all of my podcast guests. You see all those videos that I do with people, all of them I was able to find only because of LinkedIn. Okay, this is a huge opportunity for you as a college student. It doesn't matter what tier of college you belong to, it doesn't matter what CGPA you have, what is your branch, none of that really matters if you can understand how to network properly. This would be a great opportunity for you. I know a lot of people in college who are amazing at doing something, but they just don't know how to network with people, how to create opportunities for themselves. And that is what I'll be teaching you in these coming few videos. We'll first of all take a look at why LinkedIn is amazing, right? So why is LinkedIn the best one? And I'm not talking about Instagram, I'm not talking about Facebook or any other platform, or Twitter for that case. I am talking about LinkedIn specifically because first of all, the organic reach on LinkedIn is just amazing, right? It doesn't matter how many followers you have, if you put up one post that is relatable, and that can get crazy reach, right? If you were to put the same picture and caption on Twitter and Instagram, it would still not get as much reach as LinkedIn does. This is a huge opportunity in 2021 for college students, and that is why I want to bring all of this information completely for free for you on this channel in the month of January. This month would be dedicated to understanding exactly how networking works. How can you talk better with people? How to improve your communication skills? First of all, in this LinkedIn series, I'll be talking about how can you create a great profile, how to optimize your profile so that whenever someone searches for things like competitive coder, your name pops up at the top. That is really important. Then we'll be taking a look at how to create a great resume. Okay, that is also really important. I don't know exactly how to do that. I'll be getting some people that can help you with that. Then we'll be taking a look at what are the types of content that you can create on LinkedIn that will really help you grow on this platform. If you are not creating content on LinkedIn, you are missing out on a lot of progress that you can make. Then I'll be telling you how can you talk to people on LinkedIn. What are the do's and don'ts that you should keep in mind when you're using this platform. And I will also be bringing in some guests, some people who can tell you exactly how to use this platform better. And we'll also take a look at how can you get referrals, how can you meet your business partners. All of these things we'll be covering in the month of January on this channel itself. I hope you'll enjoy this, and I really believe using LinkedIn effectively can create some massive opportunities for you in your own life. And at the end of this playlist that I'm creating, I will be giving away my own book, which is somewhere over there. But yeah, basically I'll be giving you this book completely for free, in which I have told you exactly how to do all of these things, but in written form that you can just refer to whenever you want to. So make sure that you have subscribed to this channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and comment down below and let me know what types of videos do you want me to make in the topic of networking. I'll also be talking about how to improve your own communication skills, how to speak better English, and all of these things we'll be covering in January itself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.